Hi guys, welcome to Frugal It Out. Today I'm with my son Malachi and we are doing a school project. He has a day coming up, what's it called?
Market Day.
Market Day, and it's a day where they make products at home and then they sell them to all their friends at school. So what are we making today, Malachi?
Bath bombs.
Bath bombs. All right, so we have some of them made already. He has to have 30 of them. So they look like this. They're just little square bath bombs. And I will tell you what I'm gonna put in them and how I make them. Today we only have to make 11 of them because we already have 19. So we are halving the original recipe. So you will need half a cup of baking soda, quarter of a cup of cornstarch, quarter cup of citric acid, and a quarter cup of Epsom salt. And those are your dry ingredients, and those you put all together in a bowl, mix it up, and then you get your wet ingredients, and those are half a teaspoon of olive oil, a teaspoon and a half of water, and then food coloring. And then you mix those up in a separate cup. You just put it in a little cup, mix it up. And so then, once you have your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients, then you combine them and it just turns into like a little powder substance. It's a little wet. And then, yep, you get your mold, which we're just using an ice cube tray. Clump it up, put it inside your mold.
And a breeze, right?
No, because it's not super wet.
Oh.
So we did a little experiment earlier and we added too much water and it started
Breathing.
it looked like it was breathing. It was coming up and down. Pack it all in there, and then once you get it all filled up, then you just tip it over and knock it out. All right, so we just finished up our bath bombs out of the molds. Here they are. They will need a 24-hour drying time, so you just want to leave them setting on the counter overnight. Don't put them in any kind of container because then the moisture will stay in there. So by tomorrow morning, I will be able to pack them up in little baggies and seal them so that Malachi can take them to school and sell them for his market day. Also, I wanted to add that if you wanted to add any kind of scent to your bath bombs, you can put a couple drops of essential oils in them. Our bath salts already had a smell. They were lavender, so I didn't need to add any essential oils to that. But we just wanted to give you a quick and easy DIY to bath bombs if you wanted to treat yourself. They were, my goodness, maybe $5 I think I paid for all of it because I had a couple of the ingredients already at home. But for more home DIY videos, head on over to our channel and subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so you know when we upload some more videos. And then if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in our next video. Have a great day.